All right, this is your wake-up call, my friend. I know you've been doing the affirmations, but nothing's changed. I know you've been doing the subliminals, falling asleep in that prime state of theta, impressing the subconscious mind, and you know it's working. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions are all in line. They're all in line. You're doing, you know exactly what you should be doing, and you're doing it. And you feel it, that is changed within, but still, nothing has changed. This is your wake-up call, my friend. If I could tell my younger self the answer to the question of why things are not changing, I will tell him this. So what? So freaking what? It's not your decision how or when things change. It is only up to you to align your thoughts, beliefs, and your actions in the way in which you prefer. After you've done that, you sit back and you allow your higher faculties, the universe, God, truly change your life in the external world for you. Don't wait for it to happen. Don't think about how it's going to happen. Who cares? Who cares? It does not matter one bit. Your job is to impress the subconscious mind with the thoughts and the feelings which you prefer for your desired reality. And then, in waking life, you simply take the actionable steps necessary to get you to your goal. Period. That's all you have to do. Sit back and watch the show. See, before I realized what my duty as a human was and what my spiritual duty was, that is when everything became clear. And that's what I've just explained to you. Your thoughts and your feelings and your actions are in line, but still nothing's happening. So freaking what? Who cares? That is not your job. Your job is to do exactly what you've been doing. But here's where we get hung up, because we as humans, we want to do more. We don't see the results in our reality, in our 3D world. So what do? We try to do more. We try to work harder. We go, go, go. That's incorrect. Don't go against the grain. Go with the flow. Let go of that. You're doing enough work. If you're doing the affirmations, if you're doing the meditations that I offer you and that I provide for you, there's a free one in the description. I'll put it into the comments. Grab it. Do it. It will help you through these times of confusion. When you just can't seem to keep it together, your centered space is kind of foggy. Because that happens even as you go through with this. You're reprogramming. You're really developing yourself into a better person every single damn day. Sometimes we can get boggled down. The 3D world, my friend, is an illusion. It truly is an illusion. Don't fall for the smoke and mirrors. Your eyes are fooling you, my friend. Go within. That is the true path to complete and utter freedom in your life. I guarantee you, if you do this, if you realize that this 3D reality is an illusion and it doesn't freaking matter, you won't fall for the lies ever again.